The Kia Ceed I, produced from 2006 to 2012, includes an anti-theft security system for its factory-installed radio. This system activates when the radio loses power, such as during battery replacement or fuse issues. To unlock the radio, you need to enter a 4-digit PIN code. This code is generated from the radio's serial number and stored in the unit's memory. This video will guide you through understanding how this system works, how to access the code, and potential workarounds for changing it. Note that direct code changes are not a standard user feature. The radio in your 2006 to 2012 Kia Ceed locks automatically when it detects a power disconnection. This happens when the battery is replaced, a fuse blows, or the radio loses power for any reason. This is a built-in anti-theft security feature designed to prevent unauthorized removal or use of the radio. If someone tries to steal the unit, it becomes unusable without the correct code. When locked, the radio display will show code, or a series of dashes indicating it needs the security code to function. To restore functionality, you'll need to enter the correct 4-digit PIN code. This code is unique to your radio and is generated from its serial number. Important, this lock is triggered specifically by power loss to the radio unit itself, not necessarily to the entire car. Even if the car's electrical system is working, disconnecting the radio's power will activate the security mode. Officially, the radio security code is not user-changeable through the radio interface itself. This factory-set PIN is designed to be permanent for security reasons. It's a factory-set PIN designed for security. The code is generated from the radio's serial number and stored in the unit's memory, making it intentionally difficult to modify without proper tools. However, there are methods to reset or bypass it. These include visiting a dealer for reprogramming, using online code calculators based on the serial number, or employing OBD2 diagnostic scanners to retrieve the code directly. Keep in mind that trying to forcefully change the code may void your radio's warranty. Attempting to disassemble or tamper with the radio unit can also cause permanent damage. You will likely need to visit a dealer to do so. Kia dealerships can reprogram the code using your vehicle's VIN and proprietary tools, ensuring the change is done safely and correctly. The most reliable method is to visit a Kia dealership. They can retrieve the original code using your car's VIN, which is the vehicle identification number. This usually involves a fee around $50 to $100 as of 2025. Contact your local Kia service center to schedule an appointment and provide them with proof of ownership. For a DIY approach, several online tools can generate the radio code using the radio's serial number. Locate the serial number, usually printed on a sticker on the radio unit itself. This may require partial disassembly to view. Use a reputable online Kia radio code calculator. Search with caution and at your own risk. Be aware that incorrect serial number entry may lead to permanent lockout. Advanced users may use OB2 scanners, such as Autel or Launch, to extract the radio security code directly from the car's engine control unit or the radio's EEPROM. This method requires technical knowledge and the correct equipment. Forum reports from 2024 to 2025 indicate that devices like the VAG-COM interface, adapted for Kia, can access this data effectively. Once you have the code, turn the ignition to the ACC position. Press and hold the radio power button until code appears. Use the preset buttons 1 through 4 to enter the 4 digits of the code. For example, press button 1 for the first digit, button 2 for the second, and so on. If the code is correct, the radio will unlock. Common issues can arise when dealing with the radio security code on your Kia Ceed I. If you enter the wrong code multiple times, the radio will lock for an extended period to prevent unauthorized access. Specifically, after 3 incorrect attempts, the radio typically locks for about 30 minutes or longer. Always wait the full delay period before trying again to avoid risking a permanent lockout. A better long-term solution is upgrading to an aftermarket radio system. Brands like Alpine or Pioneer often come without security codes, eliminating lockouts entirely. These modern units also offer Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and improved audio quality. When installing an aftermarket radio, use a compatible wiring harness to connect speakers, power, and ground wires correctly. This ensures proper function and avoids electrical issues. Professional installation is often recommended to prevent problems. If all else fails, consult a professional car audio technician. They have the expertise to handle complex installations, troubleshoot issues, and ensure your new system works correctly without causing damage to your vehicle. Remember, when dealing with car electronics, always prioritize safety and proper installation to avoid electrical issues or voiding your vehicle's warranty.